Let's talk about plus signs. Here's an example. MS65 is 50 bucks. MS66 is 100. And you come across an MS65 plus sign. Do you automatically assume, do you automatically think that, 50, 100, let's cut it right in half and go 75? If that's what you think, this video is for you. I don't think that. I don't think that at all. Here's why. The plus signs came out before the CAC sticker. The plus sign is just a little bit better. It's not a true half grade. It does not recognize 65.5. Okay, it's not a half grade. It's just a little bit better. And how can a MS65 plus be worth more than a 66? It can't, right? It cannot. Throw a little green CAC sticker on there. You know, exceptional eye appeal, strong strike, whatever you want to call it. How are you pricing that higher than the whole next grade up? You know, that the CAC sticker is a separate topic. And same thing with toning. Same thing with the NGC star. Those are all separate topics. I'm talking about run-of-the-mill MS65, MS65 plus, MS66. The 65 plus is not a true half grade. It's just a little bit better. If you think about the Sheldon scale, one point, a plus sign is giving it a half grade? No. It's just a little bit better. If so, how much? Well, that's up to you to decide. But don't overvalue that little plus sign, okay? If you think it's a true half grade, guess what? I'm not buying. And think of it like, I like to talk about diamonds, okay? If you have a diamond that weighs 1 carat, okay, that's a premium on that. But if it weighs 0.97 and you're catching it just below the benchmark, okay, there's benchmarks. It's a substantial discount, okay? You can say, yeah, it's 1, but believe me, it's not 1 carat. And then from 1 carat, you know, you're coming up a little bit. There's a little bit of premium, but the price really jumps when you get to the 1.5. And if you buy something that's 1.42, yeah, you're saving money there. And you can say, well, maybe it's a 1.5, but it's not. You did not reach that benchmark, okay? Same thing with coins. It's either a 64, a 65, or a 66. The plus sign is just, it's a little bit better. It's a tough sell. It's a strong sell. If it's a 65 plus and you're selling it at a 65 price, sure, that's a strong price. But it just gets a little bit more juice on it. Not a lot. It's a tough sell if you are selling that at a true half grade. This is separate from toning, okay? Well, I'm not talking about toning. I'm not talking about the star. You could have an MS65 plus star, put a green bean on there, and for some reason, the value is more than a 67. Think about that. How is a star and a green sticker going to increase the benchmark 2 points? It doesn't make sense to me, but that's what goes on, okay? But those are separate topics, though. Those are eye appeal, strike. Maybe you're talking about toning. No, I'm talking about solely run-of-the-mill 65, 66. And if you think that plus sign is a 0.5, I don't agree with you. I do not agree with you. Be careful out there. If you think that is a true half grade, I would avoid it. If you're talking about $50 is a 65, $100 is a 66, and you come across a 65 plus, I do not say it's true. Add them together and divide by 2, okay? And that would give you your 75. I would rather find out what the premium is and cut that in half, okay? So the premium between a 50 and the 75 is 25 bucks. cut that in half and you get your 12.5. So in my opinion, an MS65 Plus would be $62.50. And maybe negotiate to 60, and that's both parties are happy. If you're buying it at 75 and then expect a resale value of 80 or 90, I mean, you're so close to the next benchmark price. Come on, think about that. Okay? We're not buying this because it's peanuts and popcorn here. We're buying it because we think there is an expected return on our money. This is our money. We're putting it down. We're buying something. Yes, you like it, but you're being smart about it, okay? This video is about being smart with your money. Be smart. Thank you for watching.